My name is Dheeraj Bhavsar and I am working here in Motive from 2014 as a business process consultant, and my main agenda to be here as a implementation of the Microsoft ERP in Motive. Before I joined, they have tried for 2 or 3 ERP solution with Tidy and some other, but they could not successfully implementation of the ERP in the Motive. So my main intention to come over here and to work for the establishment of the ERP in the Motive. So our management was very eager to establish the software of the Microsoft because we have a trust in Microsoft. So we have selected the Microsoft NAV as our new adventure. Our team experience is very good. They are very cooperative. My team, except me, my team was very new to this software experience. Yet initially how to operate, and this was a very tough, some annoyment was there, disgust was there, not acceptance was there. But anyhow, that patience of the Microsoft people, they pushed them to accept the thing that Microsoft has given. As I said, there's people working in the Motive were not connected with any software working. So computer working is something different, and computer working with the software agenda is something different. But I have explained the people, I have trained the people, and Microsoft people, they have seat over here up to 9 with me. Mr. Abhi was there. He was very cooperative. He was spending his maximum time with the user, and I have told him be with the user and train him, because to cultivate the mind of the person to work with the software, we have to give some time. So we have given the time. The Microsoft people have a patience, and anyhow after 1.5 years, people made their mind to use the Microsoft. As I compare the services of Mindcode versus other which I have undergone in my past life, I have these are the first institute or group of person, they are dedicated to their work. They try to understand the problem of the user. If they not understand, they do not leave it, or they do not put the person on the second route. But even I have seen that in the last meeting of trial balance, Mr. Rajesh sir has come over here. He has heard me. He understood my case, and we have a meeting, and we got some fruitful result.